Sam was going to his aunt's place, and at the railway station his train was at 2 p.m. So he reached the station and he was about to board the train, when suddenly he noticed that the clock in the station showed time something like this, that is 14:00. Now he was quite confused. He knew that the train was at 2 p.m. and the hours usually are shown in that way, that is 12, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on, and then again it resets at 12. So what exactly is 14:00? Well, this is a different type of clock. That is, the normal clock which we have, it only shows 12 hours and then it resets back to 12, and then that's how it keeps on circling. But this is a special type of clock which shows the entire 24 hours. So this is a 24-hour clock. So let's see what's the difference between a 12-hour clock and a 24-hour clock. So you see, this is a 12-hour clock, the usual clock which you have seen many times. Now, as you can see, from midnight, it's moving forward. So it's 4 in the morning, it's 5, then 6, and the same time you can see in the digital clock too, that is 24-hour clock. So there is no difference between both of these till now. Now slowly the clock moves and now it has completed one circle and it's 12, but after that what's happening? Well, the clock again starts counting from 1, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. But this clock doesn't reset at 12 noon. It keeps on counting and it will keep on counting till the 24 hours are completed of a day. So as you can see, it's 11 and it's 12 midnight and this becomes 00. So it resets at 12 midnight. So this clock doesn't reset at 12 noon because in this clock it has only 12 divisions, and that is the reason why it has to reset at 12 noon, because once it completes one circle, then again it has to show time again as 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. But there is no limitation of that sort in the digital clock or in the 24-hour clock. So it shows the entire 24 hours. So the first part, that is the first circle from 12 midnight to 12 noon, the time in both of them will be same. But at 12 noon, this will again start counting from 12, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. But this will not reset at that time. This will keep on counting till it reaches 24 hours. That is the main difference between a 24-hour clock and a 12-hour clock. So let's see how the hours are counted in both the cases. So here, this line here shows the 12-hour clock and this side here shows the 24-hour clock. So as you can see, the first part of the day, that is the first circle, the AM is same for both of them. So it starts from 12 and this starts from 0. That's the only difference between the first part. Otherwise the first part is completely same. All the hours are same. So 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4 and so on. So only difference being this always starts from 12. There is no concept of 0 in a clock, but in a digital or 24-hour clock it always starts from 0. So from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on till it completes 24 hours, and then as soon as from 23 to 24 it moves, it again resets and becomes 0, and then the time again starts calculating from 0. So you have the first part, that is the AM part, is same, all the hours are same. So at 12, this is the 12 noon part. So here what is happening? Well, the usual clock, that is the 12-hour clock, again starts the second circle. So again it starts counting 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. But in the case of digital clock, what is happening? Well, it does not reset at 12 noon. It keeps on counting. So after 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 and so on, and it will keep on counting till it completes 24 hours. So after 23, okay, as soon as it completes 24 hours, so what? The clock resets. So this is where it's 11 p.m. and after that, it, as soon as it reaches 12 midnight, it again becomes 00. So it started from 0 and ends at 0, while this started from 12 and ends at 12, and in between it reset here once. So this is the main difference between a 24-hour clock and a 12-hour clock. The AM division, that is the AM part of the 24-hour clock, will exactly coincide with the first part, that is from midnight to midday part. That is, the hours will read the same, but at noon here this resets and starts counting again 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on, but this will not reset and this will continue counting in the same manner, that is 13, 14, 15, 16 and so on. So you know that when we talk about a 24-hour clock, it does not reset at 12. So before 12, all the hours will be same between a 24-hour clock and a 12-hour clock. But as soon as it crosses 12, then the difference comes. So as you can see, it is 17:42. So this is showing the hours and this is showing the minutes. Now minutes will always be same in both the cases. So minutes are not a problem. They will be same both in 24-hour clock and 12-hour clock. But it's the hours which differ, particularly after 12 noon. So this is 17, which is bigger than 12, right? So definitely this is the time after noon, that is when the digital clock or the 24-hour clock did not reset. So we are talking about PM part. So always the conversion, that is reading the time in a digital clock, will be difficult. So the main confusion, that is main confusion in conversion of time, will be in the PM part, because the AM hours are same in both the cases. So it's only the PM which you need to worry about. So definitely 17 is after 12, so it's the PM part, right? So definitely it is a time somewhere in PM. Now what time is it? How do you calculate? Well, there is a very simple formula for it. You simply subtract 12 from this number. So when you subtract 12 from 17, so if you subtract 12 from 17, what do you get? Well, you get 5, right? So what time is it? The hour is 5. So it is 5:42 PM. Why is it PM? Because as you can see, this number is greater than 12. So we are talking about afternoon. So it's PM. So 5:42 PM. Now let's see this. Here we have 21:11. Again, this is the hour, this is the minute. So the hour again is greater than 12. So we are again talking about PM. Now, how do you calculate? Well, the formula is simple. 21 minus 12. This will give you the time in 12-hour format. So 21 minus 12, which is 9. So this is 9. So it's 9:11 PM. 9:11 PM. So 21:11 is nothing but 9:11 PM. Now what about this? What do you think? What time is it? Well, as you can see, it's 05:00. So this is hours and this is minutes. Now in the hours, this number is smaller than 12, right? So we are talking about the AM part, and in the AM part, the hours in the 24-hour clock and 12-hour clock are same. So you don't need to convert anything here. So this is 5 o'clock or 5 in the morning or 5 AM. So this will remain 5 am. You don't need to do any conversion in this case. That is the first part, the am part. You do not need to convert between 24 and 12 because the hours remain the same. It is only after the noon that the 12-hour clock resets and 24-hour clock doesn't. Now, what if you have to do the opposite? That is, you have a 12-hour clock and you want to know the time in 24-hour format. How will you do that? Well, let's see what time is it. Well, it's the hour hand is pointing to 8 or between 8 and 9. So it's 8. So this is 4. So we are talking about 5 into 4, 20 minutes, and then 2 more divisions. So it's 22 p.m. So it's 8:22 p.m. So that's the time in the 12-hour clock. Now, what is the time in a 24-hour clock? Well, we need to convert because we have PM here. So whenever you have PM, then the numbers will differ in 12-hour and 24-hour clock. So you need to convert. Now, what will be the conversion in this case? Well, it's 8, the hour is 8, minutes are same in both the cases. So you don't need to worry about the minutes. So we are talking about 8. So in the digital case, that is in 24 hours, that is converting from 24 hours to 12-hour format, you subtracted 12 from the number. In this case, you add 12 to the number. So when you are converting from 12 hours to 24 hours, you add 12 to the hour. That is 8 plus 12, which is 20. So it is 22 hours. So you saw we converted this time, that is 8:22 p.m. to 22 hours because the clock, that is the 24-hour clock, doesn't reset at 12. So we had to add 12 and we got 20, which is the hour post noon in a 24-hour clock. So you have 22 hours. Now here the time is 3 p.m. Again you have p.m. here. So you need to convert because in the case of p.m. the 24-hour clock hasn't reset while 12-hour clock has reset after 12. So you need to convert here. And how do you convert? Well, from 12 hours clock to a 24-hour clock, that is from a 12-hour format to 24-hour format, if you want to convert, then you need to add 12 to the hour. So here the hour is 3. So it's 3 plus 12, which is 15. So it is 1500 hours. So you see, because this itself signifies that it is post noon, because the clock has already crossed 12 noon, because the number is greater than 12, it is 15. So it is quite evident that we are talking about afternoon. So you do not need to mention PM or AM in case of a 24-hour clock. So it is 1500 hours. As simple as that. Now, what if the time is 3 AM? Then what do? Well, you don't require any conversion, because when we say 3 AM, so we are talking about time before noon. And before noon, both 24-hour clock and 12-hour clock show the same hours. So there is no conversion required. If it is 3 AM, it's 300 hours. Now, there is a special case. Now, what is the time here? Well, here the time is 12:12. Now, if it is after midnight, then it is 12:12 AM, and if it is afternoon, then it is 12:12 PM, isn't it? So, when we talk about a 12-hour clock, this is how you will show the time. Now, the question is, what happens in a 24-hour clock? Will you simply apply the formulas which you had learned earlier and you will convert these hours? Well, those formulas will not work in the case of 12, because when we talk about 12, this is a region where the 12-hour clock resets while the 24-hour clock doesn't reset, particularly at noon. So at noon, the 24-hour clock is not resetting, it is continuing its counting, while in the case of 12-hour clock, it resets at 12 noon. So because of that, this region is such a region where your usual conversion formulas will not work. You will have to understand that in the case of 24-hour clock, it resets at 12 midnight and then it again starts from 0 hours. As a result, when we talk about midnight, so in this clock it is very simple, it will always be 12 again, so it is 12 am. But here at midnight, the 24-hour clock has reset. So the hour has again started from 00 and it will remain the same till 1 am. Okay, so in this case it is 00 12 hours. So because the clock has reset, 24-hour clock has reset at 12 midnight. So it starts from 00. So here the hour, that is when you say 12 midnight, then the hours will show 00. While let's come to noon. What happens in noon? Well, in noon, this 12-hour clock has again reset. So it is again counting from 12 and then it will again go 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. But the 24-hour clock has not reset. So it will be 12 as it is. Here is no conversion here. So it's 12 hours. So what do you see? Well, in the case of 12, the usual conversion formulas will not work. It's very simple. When you're talking about the 24-hour clock, it only resets at midnight. So it starts from 00 and then at noon, there is no change or no reset in the cycle. So the normal time, that is 12, will show as 12 hours. But in the case of this particular 12-hour clock, well, after 12, it will again start counting from 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. So when we are talking about the conversion from 12-hour to 24-hour or 24-hour to 12-hour, this is what you need to understand, that when you're talking about the 24-hour clock, it will show 00 at midnight and this will continue till 1 am. Okay, while in the case of noon, there is no change. That is, whatever time the 12-hour clock is showing, the same time the 24-hour clock will show. The conversion will only start from 1 p.m. That is, when it is 1 p.m. in this 12-hour clock, only then the difference in hours you will see between the 24-hour clock and the 12-hour clock, because the 12-hour clock will show 1 p.m. while the 24-hour clock will show 1300 hours, and from here the numbers will always not match. So that's how this entire thing works. So while your normal conversion formulas will work for any other hours, but when it comes to 12, you just need to notice that if it is midnight, then in 24-hour clock it will be 00 hours and in noon it will be the usual 12 hours. So that is how you represent 12 in case of 24 hours clock. So in a 24-hour clock, the clock does not reset at 12 noon. Hours smaller than 12 represent AM. Okay, so it's very simple. You don't have any AM or PM. You just know that all the hours which are smaller than 12 in a 24-hour clock are AM. That is the first part. And hours greater than 12 represent PM. That is after 12. So all the numbers which are greater than 12, like 13, 14 and so on till 23, all these hours are basically representing the PM part of the 12-hour clock. So by the value of the hour, you will be able to understand whether we are talking about before noon or after noon. And that is how a 24-hour clock works, and that is how you can convert between a 24 and 12-hour clock.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. You can also register for free at deltastep.com to get all learning resources as per ICSE, CBSE, IB, Cambridge, or any other curriculum. Over 5,000 amazing lectures across maths, science, English, and social science. Our unique interactive video technology keeps you engaged, and our iDictionary feature allows you to quickly revise any concept. Master each topic at your own pace with our adaptive practice technology and 1 million plus questions. Get instant answers and detailed solutions. Be exam ready by taking unlimited mock tests, performance analysis along with actionable feedback, personal tutors to resolve your slightest of doubts. That's not all. You also get amazing prizes like PlayStations, iPads, watches, and many more, along with certificates through our Earn As You Learn program. So at deltastep.com, learning is not just fun and easy, it's rewarding too. So register for free now.